Here's some commodity chains trivia. Subscribe. What do growers process for making wine? Is it A, apples, B, wheat, C, grapes, or D, oranges? The correct answer is C, grapes. Which plant is distilled for tequila? Is it A, pineapple, B, corn, C, agave, or D, cactus? The correct answer is C, agave. What cereal grain is widely used for bread? Is it A, wheat, B, rice, C, corn, or D, oats? The correct answer is A, wheat. What raw material is needed for glass manufacturing? Is it A, silica sand, B, limestone, C, gypsum, or D, clay? The correct answer is A, silica sand. Which plant is essential for creating paper? Is it A, flax straw, B, wood pulp, C, cotton seeds, or D, reed fibers? The correct answer is B, wood pulp. Which type of oil is derived from sunflowers? Is it A, olive oil, B, soybean oil, C, peanut oil, or D, sunflower oil? The correct answer is D, sunflower oil. Which material is essential in the electronics industry? Is it A, plastic, B, wood, C, iron, or D, silicon? The correct answer is silicon. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.